The lingering question for weeks has been, when is the second coronavirus wave coming? As global COVID-19 infections passed 10 million last weekend, South Korea announced just days earlier it was already experiencing its second wave. Having shown the world how to do it the first time around, will South Korea be able to prevail again? While there's no exact definition of a second wave, we've gone from a peak of over 900 new daily infections in February to 0 local cases in early May to repeated surges above 50 daily infections since late May. Seoul Mayor Park Won-soon warned last week we may see as many as 800 new daily infections this month. Consider also that the portion of cases whose transmission routes are unknown reached 11.5% over the past 2 weeks. And while the Greater Seoul area has been of particular concern, the virus has again spread east to Gangwon province, south to Gwangju, and the central city of Daejeon has seen elementary school students pass infection between each other for the first time. So what are the authorities doing? The tried and proved method of test and trace continues. With more than 1.25 million tests performed here, that has been a vital part of the strategy that has kept total infections here to less than 13,000, with a fatality rate just above 2%. The importance of testing was highlighted by a study on a small town in Italy, published this week in Nature, showing that 40% of positive infections were asymptomatic. And the South Korean response has been favourably appreciated by people around the world, according to a survey this week conducted by Rakuten Insight Surveys, asking over 15,000 people living in 30 cities, including New York, LA, London and Paris. But Vice Health Minister Kim Kang-lip has warned we still have a long way to go. Speaking at a forum hosted by Yonhap News Agency in Seoul this week, Kim also said it's impossible to overcome the COVID-19 crisis without public cooperation.
하면서 우리가 이 코로나19의 위기를 슬기롭게 극복하기 위해서는 정부와 지자체 그리고 의료진만의 노력만으로는 불가능합니다. 무엇보다도 국민 개개인이 지켜야 되는 여러 가지 방역 수칙을 철저히 지키는 것이 아니면 어떠한 막대한 재원이 또 자원이 투입되더라도 이 사태를 효과적으로 이겨낼 수는 없다고 생각합니다.
And there is some concern that the summer could pose an even bigger challenge in that respect. More people are expected to head to domestic tourism hotspots to avoid global travel hurdles. And in the heat, more people seem to be lowering their masks to be able to breathe more easily. But that's been driving conflict on public transport, for example, even in a population that is almost universally voluntarily worn masks for months. But there must be some confidence too, as the authorities have unveiled a new 3-level social distancing scheme, allowing major local sports leagues to welcome fans again, as long as new infections don't rise by between 50 and 100 for 14 days. So it's with cautious optimism that we watch how South Korea deals with this second wave, potentially still setting the bar for others to follow, from sports to leisure to the overall revival of the economy.